Welcome to the Lightning Proxies channel. It's Omar here, and today we're diving into something truly game-changing. Whether you're scaling your online ventures, boosting productivity, or unlocking new possibilities, Surfinite is here to take you to the next level. Stick around to learn how Surfinite can redefine the way you work and play online. Let's get started. First, visit the website and create an account. It's quick and easy. Next, download the tool directly from the website. Once downloaded, extract the files and run the application. Now log into your account using the credentials you just created. Once inside, create a new cluster to get started. To finalize your setup and access the trial, link your Telegram account by following the on-screen instructions. After linking, create a new profile. Give it a name and activate proxy option. Head to the dashboard to choose your plan. Adjust your country settings and press Update Settings to save. Make sure to adjust your sticky session settings to optimize performance. Copy a proxy from the dashboard and add it manually to the tool. Then, scan it to ensure it's working properly. Save the profile, run it, and you're all set. Visit your desired website and experience the premium quality of Lightning Proxies.